legalize nuclear bombs.
So, my audio didn't record for the entire video, so, yeah, just...
By the machine!
He died also. They both died.
So I would like, can I?
Not that landmine.
Like,
Look at this. Come over here. What is this? What is this? What is this place? Like for real, what is this place? What is this? What is this place? Nothing happens. I don't know what this is though. What is this?
Everybody go to the machine! We found something!
What is this place? We're the only two. I see only two of us. Did you get your radio? There's no radio. It's right here. Your watch, right there. There you go, bro. Just put your mouth to it. Put your mouth to it. We found something. This is weird. This is a weird place.
Are you baby drunk? Press enter. Code is 3000.
So what happened? Come on, let me sell this back. Nothing. I'm selling.
What about my flashlight? Fucking talking to you. Where's my light?
Biggest clutch, we get started and we ain't gonna
Give me my light. Give me my light. Oh dang.
Can I have this back?
No. Okay, cool.
Hello? Hello, hello? Ah! Oh my! My guy!
Any new updates?
I'm telling you for the last time.
I will blow this thing if you don't let me have my backpack back. I will blow. Let me have my stuff back. This is why I hate this game.
Yeah, let's go look at chicken burger. I can only hear you. You can only hear me.
What?
Shut up.
I got hit so many times. I'm one shot.
I'm one shot.
I'm one shot.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill taste with perfect toppers. I rule this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup is okay if I don't.